Tired of that annoying Discord join sound blasting in your ears every time someone hops in? Learn how to silence it permanently in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to find the setting. Just follow these simple steps. First, open up Discord on your computer. Then, click on the gear icon next to your username to open User Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, click on Voice and Video on the left sidebar. Scroll down until you reach the Sounds section. Click on Show 18 more sounds to expand the list. Find the User Join option and toggle it off. The switch will turn gray. If the User Leave sound also bothers you, you can toggle that off here too. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.